Today I have a client who called me and said, Julia, what kind of content strategies do you teach, right? So that I can increase my followers and also generate leads, right? So that I could find clients because sometimes because she's a real estate agent, right? So sometimes as a real estate agent, I find that I have to keep advertise on Facebook and it's so expensive, right? Facebook is getting more expensive and Instagram also getting more expensive, right? How do I use TikTok, right, to generate leads, right? And also to attract the right followers. And so I told her that I'm going to promote you as a brand, right? You can represent anything that you want to, right? Is to sell you as a brand, you as a personality, right? I'm going to teach you how to share your stories on social media so that you can repurpose it on all social media platforms, right? Which you are comfortable with, right? And also you must know like what's the strength. So every one of us are of different strength. Like for me, I am very, very good in, my strength is style and image. I'm also very good in anti-aging. I believe I am one of the great 40s influencers, right, on this platform, right, and sharing a lot of my life hacks and even how I get rid of my credit card debts, all these things, right? So, and then for her, I told her, what's the strength that you must focus on your strength and think about like what kind of stories, right, that will attract the followers, right, to trust you as a person. Because when you're on social media, it's to create trust, right, and to also you as expert in the industry. So that's why there's a certain protocol to be done, right? I understand even real estate agent, insurance agent, they have a certain rate tapes to be adhered to, right? So we'll work towards that. And we do not share about more like I'm not a educational content kind of person. If you notice more of my videos, right, they're all on symptoms of what the clients have. Right. So when the clients identify with your symptoms, right, that you actually presented, right, they will want to follow you and to know more to solve their problems. So we are a problem solver. I always say that we are salesperson, but we are not salesperson. We are not so salesy. So the contents that I give you, right, it's not going to be very salesy. It's more on problem solving. So, and then I will actually oversee your videos, right, for about 2 weeks to a month, depending on our contract, on our deals that we actually, the contract that we agree on, right? And then I'll take a look at your videos and I make sure that you choose the right keywords, search engine optimization as well. Because right now, if you notice, right, TikTok favors original content. TikTok does not favor like a lot of like, in the past, right, there's a lot of lip sync and one creator or maybe thousands of creators can do the lip sync and they still go viral. Right now, it's not like that. If you notice that the trend has changed, right, it's more on original content and it's more like YouTube. So TikTok is trying to be like the next YouTube. If you notice, right, why I have two channels, the reason is because on the other channel, it's more beauty channel, is more talking about anti-aging, life hacks, beauty hacks, right, and style, right? If I put in social media, right, I think the audience are going to be like, what is this all about? I'm not interested, and then I don't think this is my video. So what will happen to that video that you post to the wrong audience, right? So that video is going to be like maybe limited views, right? And then it's not going to go viral, okay? Or the chances of more people seeing it is not there. So that's why I created two channels, right? So that one is more for like anti-aging beauty channel where I targeted the right followers and then they follow me and they trust me. So I created that kind of trust. And then this channel, right, I created more for the entrepreneurs, for those who are doing their own business and having difficulties, right, to break into TikTok. Yeah, so this is what I teach in my coaching, right? And it's much more intense because I'm going to see like how you project yourself as well and how you talk, how you speak, right? And then whether the audience, I would have an idea because I've really been surfing on TikTok, right, for 3 years. I have researched, I have actually, totally digested what is TikTok all about, right? So I'm very, very good in keywords. So that's why if you are interested to know more about my coaching session, DM me for more information. I'm available for one-on-one social media coaching as well. So thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye.